Okay, I've got the IRC Blipper to fit on a 2011 BMW S1000RR. I'm down to the removal of the tank now before we start fitting any of the Blipper components. Here is the IRC Blipper components on the table there. Supposed to be plug and play. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So the time is now 11:10. We'll see how long it takes to fit. Okay, the tank is off, and I've taken the footrest guard or foot guard off as well. So we'll just have a look at the original shifter at the moment, and we'll measure that up. Okay, original shifter is off, and the distance between the two nuts is 30.5 centimeters. Okay, that's an hour gone, and it's just sorted out the IRC shifter rod length and adjusted to size, 30.5 centimeters. Now it's the case of sorting out the wiring and associated connectors. So that's not too bad. Okay, it's nearly 2 hours in, but it's going okay. The gearbox position sensor is positioned down here, so the plugs are just swapped over and put in. That's a bit of a strange one to get from the instructions. This one is the gear shift sensor. This is got to go to the earth side of the battery. You've got on one of the coils, you've got a plug that you put on any one of the 4 plug coils, and then you've got the another upshift, I think it is, or no, that's the downshift sensor. So that comes above on the left hand side of the cooler. So all it is now is tidying up the wires, putting the airbox back on, and seeing what happens. Okay, it's all fixed on and ready for a test. All in all, it's taken, well, we'll say 3 hours from start to finish, so taking it easily. So we shall see what this Blipper's all about very shortly, and yeah, everything's hunky-dory, and I'll let you know how it gets on.